of Rebuilding Part 2. Awareness is powerful, but it's only the beginning. Awareness helps us see what needs to change, but systems are how change actually stays. It is one thing to realize, I need more patience. I want a calmer home. I don't want to parent from exhaustion. It's another thing to build daily rhythms that support these desires. Rebuilding means asking, how do I turn this insight into a reputable practice? Awareness says, I value connection. A system looks like a daily check-in with your child, a consistent bedtime routine, a weekly family reset moment. Awareness says, I don't want to yell. A system looks like a pause rule before responding, a calming breath routine, a clear plan for hard days. Systems reduce decision fatigue. They create predictability. They support you on tired days, not just motivated ones. Because the truth is, we don't rise to our intentions, we fall to our systems. And the right systems does not restrict you, they hold you accountable. They hold your values in place when emotions run high. They hold your family steady when life feels chaotic. They hold you on the days you have nothing extra to give. Rebuilding is not about doing more. It is about doing what matters consistently. Small, repeatable actions that quietly reshape the atmosphere of your home. When awareness becomes systems, healing becomes sustainable, growth becomes inevitable, and change stops depending on willpower alone. This is the heart of rebuilding in Reset, Renew, and Rebuild. Small structures that hold big change. What this looks like in real life is awareness says, I don't want to snap at my kids after a long day. A system would look like, before walking into the house, you sit in the car for 60 seconds, one hand on your chest, one slow breath in, long breath out. You remind yourself they need connection, not perfection. That 1 minute pause becomes the bridge between a hard day and a gentle evening. Not because you feel calm, but because the system carries you when emotions can't. Or maybe awareness says morning feels chaotic and everyone starts the day stressed out. A system would look like clothes laid out the night before, backpacks by the door, 5 minutes of earlier wake-up time just to sit together, even briefly. Same family, same life, different reading, different outcome. Small structures, big atmosphere. Scriptural insight is Habakkuk 2:2. Write the vision, make it clear. Vision is awareness, but writing it down makes it clear. See you in my next one, and bye.